Next is the phasor diagram. Phasor diagram for star and phasor diagram for delta. Okay, as you know that all the three phase difference, three wires having how much degree apart? 120 degree, right? So we'll discuss the phasor diagram first for the star. In star connection, the current is same, that is IL is equal to IPH, but voltage, line voltage is different. VL is equal to root 3 VPH. So for the star connection, the phasor diagram will draw, that is for the voltage. Whichever thing is different, we'll draw the phasor diagram for that. So we'll need to take here three line voltage. Here are three line voltage. First one is, we can say VRY. As you know that it goes to the sequence of R, then Y, then B. So first voltage we have taken VRY, then the next voltage would be VYB, then the next voltage would be VBR. Correct? So these are all line voltage, and these line voltages are how much displaced? That is 120 degree displaced. So each line voltage consists of two phase voltage. Correct. So VRY is a line voltage. It is made up of two phase voltage. If there is RY, then phase voltage is component is VRN and another component is VYN. Right? I told you if there is neutral, then in that case it is a phase voltage. If there is no neutral, then it is made up of line voltage. So VRY is having two component. These two component can be drawn like this. One is VYN component and another is VRN. So we can draw it like this. One is VRN and another is VYN. Okay, and the angle between line voltage and phase voltage is how much? That is, you know, that is how much angle is there? 30 degree. So this is the line voltage, that is VL. This is the phase voltage. The angle between the line voltage and phase voltage is 30 degree. Okay. So now we can extend it, this VYN. It is like a straight line, and we can similarly extend it to VRN. Okay, so VRY having two component, one is VYN and one is VRN. One component would be always positive, one component would be always negative. You can take any one component positive. It's not necessary that I have taken this component positive, then you should also. You can do vice versa also. Okay, so if this component is positive, then another component would be negative always, like it would be minus VYN. And this component is negative, then if you are extending that, it would be, then it would be plus VRN. Clear this thing? I have just extended the component. Now VYB, there is another line voltage VYB. Again it is made up of two phase voltage, phase component. One is VYN and another component is VBN. So one component we already drawn. So we need to draw one more component, that is VBN. Okay, so now we can extend this component to, if it is positive VBN, then we can extend it to minus VBN. So we are getting all the components like this. We are having VRY is the line component, and for that we are having two phase component. One is VYN and another is VRN. Similarly, we are having one line voltage component. We are having two phase component. One is VYN and another one is VBN. And for this line voltage, again we are having one more component. One is VBN and one is VRN. So the angle between these voltages is how much? 30 degree. So this is the phasor diagram for the star connection. Understood?